Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I'm Poonam Dua from Imend Education Academy of Literature. I hope everyone is doing fine and making a productive use of the lockdown period. In this period we have started biographies of important literary personalities so that you people can appear in various literature competitive exams. In the same direction we are covering important one of the most prominent Victorian writer, Charles Dickens. Please do watch the whole video carefully, take down notes. We will discuss all the important novels written by him. This will also be followed by a series of MCQs, so please do watch everything carefully and do not forget to share and subscribe the channel as well. You can contact us to join our online classes too. Charles Dickens, as everybody knows, was a most famous English writer and a social critic as well. He created some of world's best known अनफॉरगेटेबल फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स. उन फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स में से मुझे एक याद आ रहे हैं अभी, अंकल स्क्रूज. आज की डेट में भी अगर हमें किसी को माइजर, किसी को कंजूस बोलकर रेफर करना होता है तो वी टेंड टू कॉल द पर्सन अंकल स्क्रूज. दिस इज यूज्ड एज एन इल्यूजन. वन मोर कैरेक्टर दैट आई एम एबल टू रिकॉल इज मिस हेविशम. अगर कोई पर्सन अपने आप को आइसोलेट कर देता है तो वी टेंड टू कॉल द पर्सन मिस हेविशम. तो इस तरह के हिस्टोरिकल कैरेक्टर्स क्रिएट किए हैं चार्ल्स डिकेंस ने, जिसको हम आज की दुनिया में भी एज अ प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल याद करते हैं. सो ही क्रिएटेड सम ऑफ द बेस्ट नोन फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स एंड इज रिगार्डेड बाय मेनी एज द ग्रेटेस्ट नॉवेलिस्ट ऑफ द विक्टोरियन एरा. Born on 7 February 1812 and died 9th June 1870. डिकेंस को कभी भी फॉर्मल एजुकेशन नहीं मिली थी. डिस्पाइट हिज लैक ऑफ फॉर्मल एजुकेशन ही edited a weekly journal for 20 years, wrote 15 novels, 5 novellas, hundreds of short stories and non-fictional articles, lectured and performed readings extensively at universities, and he was a tireless letter writer also and campaigned for children's rights, children's education and other social reforms. ये है चार्ल्स डिकेंस के लिखे हुए 15 नॉवेल्स की लिस्ट, जो कि क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अपने आप अरेंज्ड है. क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते जा रहे हैं यूजीसी नेट एस्पायरेंट्स के लिए स्पेसिफिकली. दे डू गेट मेनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू क्रोनोलॉजी फ्रॉम अ सिंगल राइटर, फ्रॉम मल्टीपल राइटर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल सिंगल राइटर्स में आप ओलिवर ट्विस्ट और निकोलस निकलबे, ओल्ड क्यूरियोसिटी शॉप, ऐसे कुछ नॉवेल्स देख सकते हैं जिनको मे बी आपको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना पड़े. तो एटलीस्ट आप फर्स्ट नॉवल, कोई एक मिडिल नॉवल, उसकी डेट और एंड नॉवल, इसको ज़रूर याद रख लीजिए. उससे आप क्रोनोलॉजी को अपने आप अरेंज कर पाएंगे. यहाँ पर मैं आपको बता दूँ लास्ट 15th नॉवल के बारे में. द मिस्ट्री ऑफ एडविन ड्रूड was the 15th novel of Charles Dickens, and Dickens was only halfway finished with the book when he died. So technically it becomes 14 and a half, but we still consider it 15. अब बात करते हैं पिकविक पेपर्स की, जो कि फर्स्ट नॉवल है. पिकविक पेपर्स ऑल्सो नोन एज दी posthumous papers of the Pickwick Club, and it was the first novel of Charles Dickens. As I told, it was published by Chapman and Hall in monthly installment from March 1836 to November 1837. अगर आप publishers के नाम भी याद रखें तो that will be very good. At times you get to match questions to match authors with their publishers. Dickens worked a very serious subject into comedic Pickwick papers, that of the injustice of the justice system. इस नॉवल का मेन कैरेक्टर है सैमुअल पिकविक एस्क्वायर. ही इज़ अ काइंड एंड वेल्दी काइंड ऑफ ओल्ड जेंटलमैन एंड द फाउंडर president of the Pickwick Club. He suggests that he and 3 other Pickwickians, the members of the club, should make journeys to places remote from London and report on their findings to the other members of the club, and their travels throughout the English countryside by coach provide the chief subject matter of the novel. नेक्स्ट वी मूव टू ओलिवर ट्विस्ट. ओलिवर ट्विस्ट और द पैरिश बॉयज प्रोग्रेस. आपको सब टाइटल्स याद रखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. So Parish Boys title is the alternative name of this novel. This is second novel and was published as a series from 1837 to 1839 and released as a 3-volume book in 1838 as well, before the serial ended. The story centers on an orphan Oliver Twist who was born in a workhouse and sold into apprenticeship training, sort of. In the case of Oliver Twist, he presents us with a young orphan born and raised into poverty only. There is a character Fagin. Fagin is a fictional character and a main antagonist, you can say villain, in Charles Dickens' 1837 novel Oliver Twist. The character was named after Bob Fagin, a fellow employee that young Charles Dickens met when he worked at a factory. और ट्विस्ट के एरा के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानते हैं. इट वॉज फ्रॉम विक्टोरियन एरा. एवरीबडी नोज ड्यूरिंग द विक्टोरियन एरा द इकोनॉमी एंड वर्क फोर्स relied heavily on children. In Oliver Twist, we see the same impact. We see how Oliver and the other children work most of their day in return for very little food, in fact, crowded housing and no education. During this era, education was looked down upon as a waste of time, and kids were sometimes the only source of money for most of the parents, most of the families. So they would rather go to work than school. The possible jobs kids could uptake consisted of some of the most dangerous, like chimney sweeping, mining, and textile factories, and this kind of life has been shown in Oliver Twist. Let us talk about Nicholas Nickleby now, which was published in 1838. The first installment was published on March 31, 1838, and the last installment 1st October 1839. इस वीडियो में आपको जो कुछ भी बताया जा रहा है, कैरेक्टर्स के नेम, स्टोरीज, प्लीज़ टेक अ नोट ऑफ एवरीथिंग. यू कैन बी आस्क्ड एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग कैरेक्टर्स, रिगार्डिंग द पब्लिशिंग डेट और एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दीज नॉवेल्स. सो आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. द स्टोरी सेंटर्स ऑन द लाइफ ऑफ एडवेंचर ऑफ निकोलस निकलबे. ये सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर है, अ यंग मैन हु मस्ट सपोर्ट हिज मदर एंड सिस्टर केट आफ्टर हिज फादर डाइज. तो निकोलस निकलबे है जिसके फादर की डेथ हो चुकी है, उसको अपनी मदर और सिस्टर जिसका नाम केट है उनको सपोर्ट करना है. इसके बारे में एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है, चार्ल्स डिकेंस की खुद की मदर एलिजाबेथ डिकेंस, अकॉर्डिंग टू चार्ल्स, शी वॉज द मॉडल फॉर ऑलवेज कन्फ्यूज मिसेस निकलबे इन दिस नॉवल, and luckily for Charles, she never recognized herself in the character. In fact, she asked someone if they really believed there ever was such a woman, and she did not know that Charles has based this character upon her life. Next, we move to Old Curiosity Shop, published in 1840. The Old Curiosity Shop was published in installments in periodical Master Humphrey's Clock. The first installment was printed in April 1840 and last was printed in February 1841. The Old Curiosity Shop is one of the two novels, दूसरा है Banbay Rudge, one of the two novels which Charles Dickens published along with short stories in his weekly serial Master Humphrey's Clock from 1840 to 1841. The plot follows the life of Nell Trent, the character Nell Trent, and her grandmother, both residents of the Old Curiosity Shop in London. One of the character dies in the novel and the character is Little Nell. लिटिल नेल की डेथ पर बहुत ज़्यादा रिएक्ट किया था लोगों ने और रीडर्स ने. काउंटलेस रीडर्स had tears that shed across Britain at the death of dear Little Nell. The final scene we can say is famous or even infamous as anything in Victorian literature. This goes like this. She was dead, no sleep, so beautiful and calm, so free from trace of pain, so fair to look upon. She seemed a creature fresh from the hand of God and waiting for the breath of life, not one who has lived and suffered death. Dear, gentle, patient, noble Nell was dead. Dickens himself was traumatized by the death of the book's character Little Nell. As he was writing the novel, he felt as though he was experiencing the death of one of his children. It also brought back painful memories of the death of his sister-in-law Mary Hogarth. क्वीन विक्टोरिया ने भी इस नॉवल को पढ़ा था. शी रेड द नॉवल इन 1841 एंड फाउंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड क्लेवरली रिटन. लिटिल नील की डेथ पर और क्या फेमस रिएक्शंस आए वो बताती हूँ मैं आपको. Probably the most widely repeated criticism of Dickens is the remark reputedly made by Oscar Wilde that one would have to have a heart of stone to read the death of Little Nell without dissolving into tears of laughter. The Irish leader Daniel O'Connell famously burst into tears at the finale and threw the book out of the window of the train in which he was traveling. Dozens of readers wrote him begging that Nell be allowed to live, and his close friend Macready, England's greatest actor, after reading the final pages, wrote the author, "I have never read printed words that gave me so much pain." So this much was the popularity of Charles Dickens, you can imagine. अब बढ़ते हैं अगले नॉवल की तरफ, डॉम्बी एंड सन. दिस इज द लास्ट novel that we will cover in this video, and rest of the novels we will cover in next part. Dombey and Son, published in 1846, was first published in installments that began in 1846 and ran through 1848. So this is a novel which follows the fortunes of a shipping firm whose owner is frustrated at not having a son to follow him in the job and initially rejects his daughter's love. Dombey already has a 6-year-old daughter Florence. Please characters के नाम याद रखिए. Daughter's name is Florence. But bitter at her not having been the desired boy, he neglects her continuously. Dickens gave a reading of the first installment of Dombey to some of his friends, and it went very well and gave Dickens the idea of doing public reading of this particular novel, and so he wrote it. In next part of the video, we will cover David Copperfield, Bleak House, Hard Times, A Tale of Two Cities, and The Great Expectation, most famous Victorian novel. Please do contact us to join our online or offline classes. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exams.